Imagine having one AI that can chart, translate, and plan your trips. Introducing LyntaAI, your ultimate AI companion. It is designed to make daily tasks simple, fast, and intelligent. With advanced conversational AI, LyntaAI can answer your questions instantly. I am giving a live demo for it. Like if I type about FIFA World Cup, it will give outputs regarding it. You can see the output that has come after typing the FIFA World Cup. The AI has now given me a very deep description about the FIFA World Cup. Now I will show you my advanced translation which have over 100 languages supported, helping everyone break the global barriers of language. The default language I have selected is Spain. Now I will type a phrase and outputs will appear. You can see an output have appeared to the language translation. Now there is a smart trip planning section. It helps you design your perfect journey effortlessly. Like now I will show you a live demo by planning a trip of Goa which is of 2 days. I will choose the dates. Now you can look at the trip itinerary. This is a detailed AI itinerary as among the fixed dates, and it provides a detailed itinerary with everything suggested, what to book and where to go at first and which hotels and in what spots you should choose the hotels. It suggests you the dining spots and the activities you can do and the things you can visit, and this makes trip planning very easy. I developed Lanta AI using web technologies and AI tools, gaining real world experience in building and deploying intelligent systems. This project aims to save time, simplifying communication, and make AI accessible to everyone. In the future, Lanta AI can expand into mobile apps, voice assistants, and business automations. Experience the future of AI today. Visit lantaai.com now.